Was that your farm?
We have 6 draft horses, 6 work horses, 9 herd cows, those are the mama cows, and then most all of those cows have a calf, so that's another 9 cattle. And then there's last year's calves that are growing out, so there's probably 3 times 9, that's about 25 cattle. And we have 7 ewes, mama sheep, and I think this year there's 10 lambs. Sometimes there's 14 lambs born each year. And then there's 2 rams.
So shave your face with some mace in the dark, saving all